Every one of them's a cut. That's to bring it to a cut. And then every one of them's a cut. I'll be able to pull that out with a minute. A whisker. Works out at like 2-1, cut them in half. We'll just go downwards. Yeah, I think that bit needs. Morning, continuing with this. So we've just done top there, top there, like you've seen. But now from down here, the fence goes up and then kinks in the right little bit. But not you can do about it. If you look down that fence line there, it goes like this all the time. So yeah, it looks good, doesn't it? Well impressed. So we're doing this bottom bit, next bit, the top bottom bit, and then we're doing across the bottom down here. But yeah, just on some knees. No, it's AstroTurf, but it's wet from last night, so it's getting a bit wet and a bit cold. So yeah, let's crack on. Sweet. Right on join, yeah. Amateur, he's dead. We were at war, he'd be dead. Reload! So we have just had a shower. Didn't even know it was going to bloody rain today. So I've had my biryani. Last night's biryani from Gusto. Natural yogurt. Whoa, it's nice. Only thing is, I'm eating it cold, so it's not quite the same. But yes, we are just on the bottom area now. Should smash it really. It's basically, it's 2 lengths of 28 and then just a 1 metre cut all the way down. 28 cuts at 1 metre. And then we are done. So we need to be done today because we've got a long weekend. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Back here Monday for the third side. But while I'm on, guess what? The percentages have changed. So we're on 61% of you that are watching and not subscribed, but you are reoccurring viewers. So just press subscribe, man. Just press subscribe. You get notifications then every time I upload. So I upload now, 6 o'clock every evening. It's always scheduled. So today I'll put my video up, but it'll come out tomorrow, 6 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a subscription. Totally up to you. But you get it a day early. I'm not a big wig. You don't need to pay for that. You can just wait 24 hours for me, can't you? You know. But it's always there. You never know who's out there, do you? You never know. But we need to crack on because we have got places to be. I've got a weekend to be off for a weekend. So I'll see you in back garden. Hold me. And there we have it. 2 days. And it's done. So Monday we're coming back for this. Like I say, we're having a long weekend. But this just brings the privacy back here. I know these are all looking over still, but it's as much as we can do. 6 foot off at floor. We're going to over there, a bit of an extra. We're going to have a panel and then a gate. Extras that, panel and a gate, like I say. And then at this side, he's having that done as well. We're only going to do these 2 sides. And it's like, you know what? Prices for that. Get it done. Just while we're here. Rather than coming back in summer, you know what I mean? Keeps us busy anyway, so we're alright about that. But yeah, we are done for today. 3:30. Nice steady day. 3:30. By the time we get home. Not too bad. But yeah, like I say, I am off away for the weekend, for a long weekend with the wife. So I'll be back on Monday, but a few days off. Give you guys some peace, won't it? But yeah, that looks good now. I think it finishes bottom off there because it dropped in that corner, didn't it? It did the fence, the original fence. But yeah. Aye. So I'll see you on Monday, guys. Have a good weekend. Take care.